Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the Vantrue N2X 2.7K dashcam, a feature-packed device designed for both front and interior recording. Let's unbox it and see what it offers. Inside the box, we have the dashcam itself, a power cable, mounting accessories, and the user manual. The build quality feels solid, and the design is sleek, which should complement any vehicle interior. The mount boasts an innovative magnetic design, allowing for effortless attachment and detachment without the need to remove the adhesive from your windshield. Technical specs are on the screen now. The Vantrue N2X features 2.7K front and 1080p interior recording, Sony STARVIS 2 sensor for low light clarity, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video transfers. It supports 512 GB micro SD storage, has a supercapacitor for extreme temperatures, built-in GPS for tracking speed and location, and offers voice control, loop recording, and 24/7 parking mode for complete security. Daytime test. HDR functionality. During our daytime testing under bright sunlight, the Vantrue N2X's high dynamic range feature excelled. HDR technology automatically adjusts exposure levels, effectively balancing bright and dark areas in the footage. This ensures that even under intense sunlight, critical details such as license plates, road signs, and pedestrians are captured with precision. For taxi drivers, this means reliable evidence quality regardless of lighting conditions. Nighttime test. In low light and nighttime scenarios, the Vantrue N2X continues to impress. The Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, combined with 4 infrared IR LEDs in the interior camera, delivers exceptional clarity. Even in complete darkness, the interior camera captures clear images, ensuring that passenger activities are well documented. The front camera maintains sharpness and detail on dimly lit roads, providing taxi drivers with peace of mind during nocturnal operations. Interior recording test. The interior camera's 165 degrees wide-angle lens offers expansive coverage of the vehicle's cabin, capturing both driver and passenger areas comprehensively. This is particularly advantageous for taxi drivers concerned with safety and accountability. The IR LEDs ensure that even in low-light conditions, such as evening rides or shaded areas, the footage remains clear and detailed. Vantrue App Overview. The Vantrue app, compatible with both iOS and Android devices, enhances user experience by offering a live preview, view real-time footage directly on your smartphone, a video download, wirelessly transfer recorded videos to your device for easy sharing or evidence preservation, comprehensive settings adjustment, customize recording resolutions, enable or disable audio recording, set G-sensor sensitivity, and configure parking mode preferences. Got questions? Drop them below. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. We've got more tech deep dives coming. And hey, check the description for links and discount codes. Drive safe, and see you next time.